Right, so here we are with the Amstrad CB901, original Japanese one with the original Japanese power lead, which is probably twice as valuable as the actual radio.
Now we're recording.
Roger, got you. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yeah, we're all going, and yes.
Need to do a tone control test. Is that something you wanted to do?
Yes, I'll go and plug in an extension speaker. That's an idea.
Roger.
And which socket is which is anybody's guess. I got it right. Okay, if you'd like to talk to me.
Yes, 54321 12345 testing.
Yes, much as like most of them, it's best in the tip-top treble version section.
Roger, is that then?
That's it. Off you go.
Roger.
So if you looked at the service video, I did change the ballast resistor because I couldn't get 4 watts out of it.
Right, up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
And the skinny little 2 watt resistor which was in there, I can't really see it's going to be able to draw enough current through that to produce 4 watts anyway. So there we are, got a 6 watt ballast resistor in now, and it does 4 watts. The radio, that is.
Passing Lancaster service station, which is closed.
Roger, we're a bit later, aren't we, today?
We are a bit, but it wouldn't have mattered, it'd have been closed anyway.
Yeah, Roger. For the people out there, we needed to fill up the washer squirt bottle, and it was a faff because managed to drop the lid in the works of the car, so we had to fish it out with pliers. Always time.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got your square wheel at Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, and we're off again.
I've been off for years.
Yeah, I know. Top of the hill, didn't I?
Well, you probably did if you're not now at the top of the hill.
Negative.
What you like?
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford, loud and clear. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, loud and clear.
I'm on an Amstrad CB901 the original made in Japan version from 1981, with the original type of power connector and with the original type of power lead, doing a full 4 watts.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford at level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger, did you know you put the Roger bleep on?
Say that again, you just went through a scratchy patch.
Did you know the Roger bleep was on?
Yeah, I put it done on purpose.
Roger.
I should have warned you that that's what you've done.
Yeah, because I wouldn't have known otherwise. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn, and that brings us time for a low power test, which on this radio will be 300 milliwatts, the preset one.
Yep, roger that. Just get myself into position.
10-4.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on an Amstrad 901. He's doing a full 4 watts. He's drawing 1.32 amps on the full 4 watt output. Now I'm going to fiddle around the back and find the low power switch, and when we'll drop down to 300 milliwatts, 0.3 of a watt. I can't keep keyed up, I don't think, while I'm doing it. I'll give it a go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power, going 530 milliamps, 300 milliwatts, 31 DC, and back to full power. And there we are, back to 4 watts, over.
Yeah, that was all received. Very good.
And that was less than most sets.
Roger that.
Of course, it's all down to what interference is out your way.
Yeah, I don't think there's much today, so there you go.
Yeah, I agree with that, because I've not got S9 hovering on the base area.
Roger, we'll conclude that test now.
We have. Off you go when you're ready.
now going over Rorsby level crossing. Over.
So you're going over Rorsby level crossing.
Yeah, 156.7 and 164.9.
Roger on that, that's loud and clear. Right, that concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that, 1010.
10-10. 21 from Chippie, we're now going over Rorsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rorsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me?
Yeah, 156.7 and 164.9.
Roger on that, it's loud and clear. Right, that concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10. Well, that was really clear set, and we'll go to our base station and we'll also test the customer's own replacement mic.
Tango 21 testing the Amstrad 901 at 4 watts with my standard replacement mic. Now we'll go with the supplied mic with it, which is also a standard replacement mic but slightly different. Tango 21 testing the customer's standard replacement mic as supplied with the set. So I hope you found that interesting and enjoyed